Today, me and my friend Aiden are doing a burping contest. I'm the coolest kid in school. Okay, so Aiden, my name is Jeremy. We're gonna be doing the loudest burp. Whoever could do the loudest burp wins.
No. What is it?
The loudest burp has to stand for 1 minute.
Yeah, no. Whoever.
No. Just the loudest burp or the longest burp.
Yeah. So, hold up. I'm sorry. I just kept on getting all my stuff. So today, we are doing.
I already said it. I already said it.
So the winner, he gets to sit around,
and he.
No. I didn't say I didn't win. So
he's not gonna do it first.
No.
Why am I tablet?
No, give me your tablet. I'm gonna show that whoever wins gets to play on this tablet right there.
Until it dies? Fine. This is gonna be the prize.
No,
these two, this tablet and this tablet are gonna be the prizes.
I know. And
right now we're about to do the burping.
And if the loser has to read a book for 5 minutes, 5 hours.
Fine, deal.
I don't shake on it.
Fine, deal.
I didn't shake on it.
He's gonna go first.
All right. So
I'm gonna stand over here. Peace out.
You're not cool. No, you're not.
Fine, go ahead.
My turn. Yeah, you won.
I win! Oh! Dude, you just got stuck in like 4 or 5 times and you win. See? And right now, the winner is me!
No, we keep on doing it.
We keep on doing it until it reaches 5 minutes.
You did.
I win!
No, you did 3. You did 3, so that means you lost that one.
I won.
Yeah, you keep on burping, so I won.
That one wasn't supposed to come out.
I know. So that means I won, you won. Now, this is the last one. You go first, dude.
You.
No, you.
You.
Fine.
Everyone knows I'm just going to win, so go. My turn.
Yeah, I won. No, you didn't.
No, it got stuck and then it comes out, so I won.
No, I won that one.
Wait.
Okay, leave in the comments below who won. Leave in the comments. For right now, I won. Oh, you want to do some? Want to do some more?
I win.
No.
Ha! In your face.
Dude, now let's do one. Fine, one more time.
Last try. Last time. Go. Right now, go.
Hold it. I didn't do it. Oh, I bet I didn't do it.
No, that was the try.
Crap.
Oh! Leave in the comments below who do you think's gonna win.